Hi all, welcome to the series of intro questions on Python. This is the first question. So the first and foremost question, okay, in this series, whether Python is an interpreted or a compiled language. Okay. If you take, normally people say it as interpreted, okay. But if you go inside deep, okay, it is similar to Java. Okay, you might have seen whenever you execute a Python code, you might have seen a PYC file. It is a compile file. So if you go in deep, the Python is both interpreted, compiled and a interpreted language. So it gets compiled. So you get a PYC file, okay, and then the Python interpreter will read over the bytecode and execute your script. That's how it works. Okay. So it is first compile and then interpreted. Okay. As in the case of Java. So, but since Java is more strict because static typing, the compilation is not so strict in case of Python. Okay. So it is somewhat different, but there is a compilation step in Python as well, which converts it into a bytecode, and the bytecode has been worked on by the interpreter like C Python or J Python, whatever. Even the compilation is done by the Python interpreter. Okay. So other point is, so since it gets converted to bytecode, as in the case of Java, it also get the platform independence. So that bytecode can be executed in any platform, maybe Linux, Unix, or Windows. It can be executed across all platforms, and but the interpreted is different. As in the case of Java, the JVM, the interpreter, though the interpreter is different for each platforms, so that interpreter for that platform will be able to execute your bytecode. Okay, the C Python interpreter or J Python for that platform. So it is not, the interpreter is not platform agnostic. So that will be able to work on this bytecode, which can be created across different platforms. So this gives the platform independence to Python. So so let me also show you a simple code so that I elaborate. Okay. So here I have two scripts. Okay. The sample here you can see. Okay, it is a simple script. Okay, sample.py, which has a function print hello. Okay, which prints hello. Okay, and I have another script sample import, which imports this print hello. Okay, which is present in sample.py, and then it tries to execute that function. That's what it is does. So I have two functions. So the PYC file gets generated only when it is imported. When a file is imported into another file, when a module is imported into another file, then only it gets created. That's the reason why I created two files here, and had that sample file and sample import file, where I'm importing the sample file and executing the function. So that's what I'm doing. So once I execute this file, you will be able to see a PYC file getting generated for the sample. So this is a PYC file. So it is a bytecode which you cannot understand. If I open a notepad and put it also, nobody will be able to understand, but because it can be read only by your interpreter. Okay. So so this is how the Python works behind the scenes. First compile and then interpret it. So hope this session was useful. Thank you guys. See you with the next question. Thank you. Have a nice day.